Hi guys, today I am going to be doing something super exciting. Today we're going to be doing a haul on ColourPop. I made in order, and so I bought a couple stuff, so I thought I would go ahead and show you guys. So, I have my Coca-Cola, which we're going to open because it's still hot, because my AC is still broken. I do have water. I have been drinking water all day, but for the sake of the video, I was like, hey, let's open up a Coca-Cola. Okay, I have my scissors, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this. All right, open this up. Okay, that was easy. All right, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. They just released their watermelon birthday palette, so it's kind of all watermelon themed. Excuse me. I'm like really hot, guys. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the main thing I bought is some gel eyeliner. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought 4 of them. And the reason being is because I like gel eyeliner and I like color. I want to get into color. And these are really affordable. They're like $6, and they have really fun colors. So this is a pink, and this is in the shade Boots. And then, oh, I love this one. This is a blue, a baby blue. Oh my gosh, I want to use this one now. And this is in Prance. And then I have the next one. And I have a silver. I thought that would be fun to have on my eyes, and it's called Kicker. Just a metallic tinfoil kind of color. Now I have close-ups of all of these too, in case you can't see. And then I have Piggy Bank, which is so cute. I can get the box open. Alice, are you okay? You're hot. Okay. Stick with me. Okay. Ooh, and it's a lavender. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but really pretty. I want to get into more purple tones, lavender tones, because I do have brown eyes. So, I want to try just to do a look with just eyeliner, and I thought that would be a fun way to do it. So this next one I didn't intentionally buy. I actually, after I made the purchase, I was like, why was this so expensive? Because I initially thought it was going to be like $20, $30, and then I realized I had not one, but 2 mascaras in my cart that I have been looking at, and I didn't want. Why did I buy 2? But I made the order. I want to try it out anyway. But so this is the BFF Voluminizing Mascara. I hear really good things about it. So I went ahead and accidentally bought it. Hey, maybe I'll like it. Maybe I'll use this in a giveaway if I don't. Nah, not that human. I'm not going to give something away that I don't like. So, and then the next stuff is stuff I wanted 100%. I was like, yes, I am buying those. I have a couple of the monochromatic palettes from ColourPop that have the color in it. My camera's about to die, so if it cuts off, I'll come back. But they have monochromatic palettes, and yeah. So they just came out with the birthday palette, and that is the main squeeze palette. And it is watermelon themed. And it is such cute little packaging. And then you open it up, and it looks like so. Has gold foil, it has the names on the back. And then you open it up, whoop, and this is what it looks like. It's all like rosy tones, but there's definitely neutrals in here. Definitely more neutrals than I was expecting, so I'm really excited. And then again, my camera's about to die. I'll make this quick. This is brand new. and it's a Blue Moon palette. And I was so excited. I've been wanting a blue palette for such a long time. And it was $12, and I was like, I'm buying it. I was gonna make the order anyway. I'll throw this in. Okay, so it is the all blue monochromatic. And it looks so pretty. I'll insert like swatches and things later because it's dying and I need to just do it, film this video, but oh my goodness, it makes me happy to look at. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to play with this. Okay, so, but anyway, my camera's dying, I gotta go, but I am excited. If you guys want to see any reviews of these products, let me know down in the bottom bar below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to be notified when I film a video and upload it. Then I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!